Picture a young senator in the 1940s rising to prominence with his charm and vision for a better America. Nearly a century earlier, another leader walked a similar path, guided by his unwavering belief in justice and equality. These two men, John F. Kennedy and Abraham Lincoln, lived in different eras, yet their lives unfolded like mirror images. Both were elected to Congress exactly 100 years apart, became transformative presidents during times of national upheaval, and ultimately met tragic ends on the same day of the week. But the story doesn't stop there. The eerie parallels between these two leaders defy logic and stretch the boundaries of coincidence, leaving us to wonder, is this the universe's way of revealing a deeper hidden pattern? As we dig deeper, the connections grow even stranger. Lincoln was shot in a theater, and his assassin fled to a warehouse. Kennedy was shot from a warehouse, and his assassin fled to a theater. Their successors, both named Johnson, were born exactly 100 years apart. Even their assassins share uncanny links. John Wilkes Booth was born in 1839 and Lee Harvey Oswald in 1939. These details, linked across time, suggest something more profound than mere chance. We will explore the science of coincidence and what it might reveal about the universe's hidden patterns. From Carl Jung's groundbreaking ideas on synchronicity to the mind-bending phenomena of quantum physics, we'll uncover how these stories might be more than just random events. What if the lives of Lincoln and Kennedy, and even your own moments of coincidence, are threads in a vast unseen tapestry? Let's unravel this mystery together. Carl Gustav Jung, one of the most influential psychologists of the 20th century, introduced the concept of synchronicity to describe meaningful coincidences that cannot be explained by cause and effect. Unlike random occurrences, synchronicities are imbued with a sense of purpose or connection. They often leave us feeling as though the universe is revealing something profound. For Jung, these events were more than curiosities. They represented a bridge between the inner world of the psyche and the outer world of material events. Jung's collaboration with Wolfgang Pauli, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, reinforced this idea. Together, they explored how quantum physics could support the concept of synchronicity by challenging the linear, mechanistic view of reality. Jung believed synchronicities revealed the archetypal nature of reality, patterns that emerge from the collective unconscious. These patterns are not bound by time or space, which aligns intriguingly with some principles of quantum physics. To understand how quantum physics ties into Jung's idea of synchronicity, we must explore some of its most mind-bending phenomena. Quantum physics, the science of the very small, reveals a universe that defies conventional understanding, one far more interconnected and mysterious than we ever imagined. It challenges the linear, mechanistic view of reality, offering instead a glimpse into a world where events are woven together in unexpected ways. One of the most intriguing discoveries in quantum mechanics is the observer effect. At the quantum level, particles behave differently depending on whether they are being observed, suggesting a mysterious interplay between consciousness and reality. This raises profound questions about the role of the observer in shaping the physical world. Is reality, at its core, influenced by our awareness of it? Equally astonishing is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where two particles become instantaneously connected, regardless of the distance between them. If one particle is altered, the other responds in kind, even if they are light years apart. This defies our understanding of space and time, pointing to a reality where separateness is an illusion. Adding to this is wave-particle duality, where particles can exist as waves or particles depending on how they are measured. This fluidity hints at the malleable nature of existence itself. Together, these principles suggest a universe operating through a web of interconnectedness, resonating deeply with Jung's vision of synchronicity, a principle driven not by causality, but by meaning. Wolfgang Pauli, one of the pioneers of quantum physics, shared Jung's fascination with the intersections of science, psychology, and mysticism. Pauli's work on the exclusion principle laid the foundation for modern quantum mechanics. but his intellectual curiosity extended beyond the confines of physics. Pauli and Jung believed that synchronicity could be a unifying principle, a way to understand the interplay between mind and matter. Together, they theorized that the psyche and the physical world are not separate, but are interconnected aspects of a greater whole. This notion challenges the Cartesian dualism that separates mind and matter, offering a more holistic view of reality. Their collaboration emphasized the importance of symbols, archetypes, and the collective unconscious. In Jung's framework, archetypes are universal patterns that shape human experience. Pauli saw these archetypes as analogous to the fundamental principles that govern physical reality, hinting at a shared origin between the mental and the material. Jung often described synchronicity as a mirror, reflecting the connection between our inner world and the external universe. This metaphor aligns with ideas in quantum physics, where observation affects the outcome of experiments. One compelling example comes from the idea of the alternative space, a concept explored in the metaphysical practice of reality transurfing. This framework suggests that all possible outcomes exist simultaneously, and our focus determines which version of reality we experience. Synchronicities, in this sense, might be signposts guiding us toward the path most aligned with our intentions. The notion of the universe as a mirror also aligns with Robert Anton Wilson's quantum psychology, where he explores how our perceptions shape our experience of reality. If reality is a construct influenced by our minds, then synchronicities might be glimpses of the deeper patterns we subconsciously co-create. Joseph Cambry's work delves into how synchronicity manifests in natural phenomena. From the spirals of galaxies to the symmetry of snowflakes, the universe seems to operate through recurring patterns. These patterns echo the archetypal structures Jung described, suggesting a fundamental order underlying existence. Cambry's perspective extends to the role of synchronicity in personal growth. When we encounter synchronicities, they often resonate with our innermost thoughts and desires, acting as catalysts for self-reflection and transformation. These moments can feel like whispers from the universe, urging us to pay attention to the deeper currents shaping our lives. The power of synchronicity lies not just in its intellectual appeal, but in its emotional resonance. When we experience a meaningful coincidence, it often stirs something profound within us, a sense of wonder, connection, or even awe. These experiences can reaffirm our belief in a greater purpose or remind us that we are not alone in the universe. For some, synchronicities provide comfort during challenging times, acting as signs that they are on the right path. For others, they inspire curiosity and a desire to explore the mysteries of existence. Regardless of how we interpret them, these moments have the power to shift our perspective and deepen our understanding of reality. What does all this mean for our understanding of reality? If synchronicities and quantum physics suggest that the universe is deeply interconnected, how can we integrate this knowledge into our daily lives in a meaningful way? The key lies in becoming more attuned to the subtle patterns and connections that shape our experiences. One way to do this is by paying close attention to the coincidences and patterns that appear in your life. Begin by keeping a journal of these events, reflecting on their potential meanings and how they might relate to your inner world. Over time, you may notice recurring themes or symbols that offer insights into your personal journey. These moments, while seemingly small, can act as guideposts, encouraging you to explore deeper layers of self-awareness. Cultivating mindfulness is another powerful way to heighten your sensitivity to these connections. By becoming more present, you can better observe the interplay between your thoughts, emotions, and external events. Exploring archetypes and symbols that resonate with you can also provide a valuable framework for interpreting the synchronicities you encounter. And perhaps most importantly, embracing uncertainty and letting go of the need to control every detail of your life can create space for synchronicities to unfold naturally. These moments often emerge when we surrender to the flow of the universe, allowing its hidden patterns to reveal themselves. As we piece together insights from Carl Jung, quantum physics, and modern thinkers, a picture emerges of a universe that is far more mysterious and interconnected than we once believed. Whether we call it synchronicity, meaningful coincidence, or something else entirely, these experiences challenge us to expand our understanding of reality. So in this next video, we leave you here. We approach these events and their appearance in real life.